Hello and welcome to a new episode of Englicast. Have you ever thought about why some people reach their goals, but others stop or give up? The secret is not only talent or intelligence, the real secret is daily routine, a small habit that helps you build a better future step by step. In this episode, we will not only give you normal advice, we will tell you real stories and simple ideas that will help you understand why daily habits are important. What is a daily routine and why is it important? A daily routine means doing the same thing every day, even when you are tired or busy. If you want to learn a new language, be healthy, or get a better job, you must practice every day. But why do many people stop? At the start of my journey, I thought I needed to feel excited every day. But later, I understood that this idea was wrong. I thought I could be successful very fast without working every day. This is called quick success. The words quick success mean thinking that success will come fast and easy. Have you ever felt sad because you did not see results quickly? Try to write a sentence using quick success. After some time, I learned that the real problem was not my time or my life situation. The real problem was waiting too much before starting. The words waiting too much before starting mean always stopping and not making decisions because you are afraid. Have you ever waited too long before doing something? How did you solve this problem? Try to write a sentence using waiting too much before starting. Why do we stop good habits easily? When I stopped a good habit, I felt like I lost all my progress. It was like I did nothing before. Then I understood that doing something every day is very important. The word lost means something is gone and does not exist anymore. Have you ever stopped a good habit and felt like you started from zero again? Try to write a sentence using lost. Changing your plans is important for success. One of the most important lessons I learned is that success is not only about hard work, it is also about changing your way when there are problems. Not every day is easy, but if you learn to change your way, you will never stop. The words changing your way mean doing something different when you have a problem. Have you ever needed to change your plans suddenly? How did you feel? Try to write a sentence using changing your way. The real secret of success is patience and not stopping. Success does not happen in one day. It takes a long time and practice. The words a long time and practice mean trying many times, even when it is difficult. When did you have a big problem but decided to continue? Try to write a sentence using a long time and practice. A daily routine is not just a habit, it is the key to reaching big goals. Success is not magic, it is small steps every day. A challenge for you. Choose one small habit and do it every day for 7 days. Use the new words you learned today. Write in the comments, what habit do you want to start? What is the hardest part of continuing a habit? If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next episode of Englicast.